Good afternoon, everyone. This is Henry, and as we get into tonight's video review, I wanted to bring you a setup that we are watching in Carvana. So I titled this, I like having 3 reasons to take a trade, and in this case, I think we've got 3 that really stand out. So the first of which, I tell you, is going to be my foundation in just about every one of these video reviews that I do with you, but that is the daily squeeze. A moment in time where we're thinking that instead of a stock being kind of directionless or chopping inside a range, it's getting ready to have a directional move. So with that signal setting up, that is point number 1. Then from there, we have high short interest. So these values are off of Yahoo Finance, and I know that they are not the most up to date, but sitting here at a 42% short float, that is an incredible amount of the name that is held short. And the thing is, when shorts are taking a lot of heat, that tends to get emphasized until it reaches kind of a crescendo type of area. That with the squeeze, I think could keep pushing us up. Then the third piece of the puzzle is that of the Voodoo roadmap. So I know that those of you that follow these video newsletters are probably following them for the focus on David's work with these Voodoo lines. And it is the idea that when you get such a strong move up above this 62.46, that the heart of what is trying to unfold is movement into the tree line up here at 99.57. And of course, that just happens to have a meaningful coincidence with the centennial value. So, Voodoo roadmap, high short interest, and a daily squeeze. I believe we have reason to look for targets up there around 99, and I hope that helps you make a couple of bucks over the next 7 to 10 days, maybe faster. You guys have a great rest of your evening, and I hope to see you in the chat room tomorrow. Hey traders, this is Henry with simplertrading.com. I wanted to thank you for watching today's video. I hope you found it helpful. And if so, be sure to click the like and subscribe buttons down below. If you would like to also see me putting these ideas into action and trading my own account live in front of you, be sure to sign up at simplertrading.com, and I hope to see you in the chat room sometime soon.